Action.
All right, so here I have my slightly used bottle of Dollar Tree White Color Vibes and our Garnier Fructis Anti-Frizz Serum. Just enough gone. Add 2 little pumps of the Garnier. Put the cap back on. Shake, shake, shake. Take your fluid polish now. Put a little bit on your mat. Add whatever polishes you want. I'm using my Drunk Fairy polishes. Kind of drop them all over the mat. Grab your mat, gently squish and gently squish, and let it start doing its thing. You'll start to see little cells pop up. And by the next day, you'll have your cells. Done. It's not really doing its thing.